Good morning, all. Myself, Nimit Jain from Arya College of Engineering IT. Today's my topic is decision tree analysis. This is my uh, agenda for decision tree. Decision. What is decision tree? Decision tree is a periodical representation of a decision process. If represent the states of nature with the associate probability and strategies of the associate payoffs. How we draw a decision tree? Decision tree has basically two elements, nodes and branch. Nodes, there is two types of node. First node is decision node, which is made by represented by a square, and the chance node is represented by a circle. The decision node represents a point on a decision tree wherein decision makers make a decision, and the chance node represents point on the decision tree where the decision maker evaluates the outcome of the results. Branches are given by this type. Decision branches significance: the branch that commerce with the decision nodes, it signifies the strategy of decision maker select at point, and chance branches signify the branch that commence from a chance node, it signifies the state of nature which occur. Then terminal branches, the significance, the last branch of a decision tree, it may not follow the either decision or chance node. The terminal branches are the mutually exclusive and collective exhaustive at a point. This is your diagram how we represent a decision tree. Objective of drawing a decision tree: the objective of drawing a decision tree is multiple state decision analysis. The calculations started with the terminal branches. Starting from the terminal branches, we calculate the positions value progressively at each node and roll back either nodes will be reached at the initial nodes. The decision tree rollback technique: the position value at the chance node in the EVM at the point of the position value of the decision node is maximum payoff amongst the branch at a point. In the process of rolling back at the initial node, we initialize the series of the sequence of optimization strategy that maximize the payoff of the initial nodes. This is decisions tree rollback technique. Now, today we Bayesian approach of a decision making. Bayesian approach of a analyzation of two theories, discipline based theorem and decision theory. The Bayesian approach is problem address itself the questions of determine the probability of some event A given the another event B as observed, I determine the value of P of AB. Bayes theorem introduction. Decision theory is another theory of study where we use the Bayes theorem. It's also used in probability. Thank you. The base model is given by P of C of D is given by PD of C, PC upon PD into PDC into PC. Now, we have studied two main important topics. CAD. CAD is chi-square automatic interaction reductions. CAD is decision tree algorithm used in classification problem. Initial model of CAD use chi-square test independent for splitting. CAD is the first represent of article and exploratory technique of investigation large quantities of categorize the variable. CAD splitting out the splitting CAD based on type of dependent variable on target of variables. This is we use chi-square test which is given by O minus E chi-square upon E, where frequency expectations E is given by row sum into column sum upon total sum. This is one example of CAD. The CAD procedure is given by this step: first examine each predictor variable of its statistical significance with the dependent variable, then determine the most significant value among the predictors, divide the data by levels of most significant procedure each. Step 4, the each subgroup determine the most significant variable of remaining predictor and divide the given data and repeat the step to repeat the CAD. How we stop the kite if depth जब maximum depth is reached. Tree pruning the process of reducing the size of a tree using different strategy. Pruning the since algorithm and pruning can be either based on size. And cart model, cart is classification of regression tree. Splits the chosen based either on Gini index or two criteria. Cart is binary tree where create split into initial nodes and more than two branch, and Gini index given by this. And classification of tree logic is given by not t, not t1, and this where function is given by this. And an ambulance method. Method is a majority voting method of which models are developed using various techniques such as logistic regression, discriminant analysis, CAD and CART. For each observation, the classification is done based on majority voting, ensemble modes of general improvement, accuracy and predictions. And now I complete my chapter. Thank you very much.